beautiful people. In today's video, I thought it would be fun to try to give myself a makeover with photos from Pinterest. So I went through and I picked a eye look, a really basic lip look that just matched the eyes, an outfit, and a hairstyle. And I'm going to try to recreate these to the best of my ability with what I have and just give myself a little makeover and take you guys along for the ride. The makeup look is with some white eyeliner, which I recently just got, so I'm really excited to try to use it. Hopefully it doesn't turn out disastrous. So let's get started. I will show you the pictures as we go on, and I think we should probably start out with the makeup. Welcome to my bathroom. So the makeup look that I am going to try to be recreating today is this one. I really hope that this looks good on me and I can recreate it. It looks like she has little gems underneath her like black liner, but I'll probably, hopefully, I can pull it off, do like little white dots down there. And then this is the lips, a little like glossy, kind of still orangish, pinkish look. I have a gloss here from the Beauty Bakery, and I think this will be the perfect color for the lips. I'm probably going to fast forward through me doing my like concealer and powder and eyebrows and stuff, and then I'll come back for the good stuff. Okay, basics are out of the way. Now I get to choose a blush. It looks like the one that she has on is kind of a corally pink. Well, it's kind of orangish. So yeah, a coral is kind of orangey pink. Probably gonna be this one. This is my Kylie blush in the shade Kitten Baby. It looks a lot more orange like in the thing here, but it does come out a little pinkish orange. Let me see what else I have real quick though. Oh, actually this is probably closer. This is the one I've had for so long. It fell apart and I had to kind of smush it all back together. Not fun. But I love this blush color, Blossom Time Rose. And her blush, a lot of the times I've been doing my blush lately like more on the sides, but hers is kind of comes in a little bit. I am so thankful I'm filming this video right now because I'm about to start my period, and that means my skin is clear. Like usually a couple days before, my skin is just so nice, and then my period like actually hits and then it goes back to just being a hormonal mess. Does anyone else struggle with that? Because it's real annoying, but it's nice, you know, the little week or couple of days that my skin is clear before. I mean, not completely clear, but better than usual. Of course the air comes on. Hopefully it's not too bad for you guys. I can't see her forehead, but I am gonna add a little blush up here because I like to do that, and just a tad bit on the bridge of my nose. That was a bit more than a tad. Oh well. Oh my gosh. I forgot how pretty that blush was. I'm so excited. I'm gonna start using this again. Okay, the part that I've been dreading, but I'm also excited for, the eyes. I'm gonna start with some orange eyeshadow, and then I'm gonna do the liner and probably add more eyeshadow onto it. I don't know how exactly she did this. That's the thing with me going off of just pictures. I could definitely fail very easily. I'm gonna start out with this kind of orange, rusty, brownish orange color in my Morphe palette here. Oh my gosh, holy shit. My skin looks so clear right now. Sorry guys, I'm having a moment. I am so, I was gonna say insecure, but I don't know if I'd use that word. It just more bothers me, my acne and stuff. I try to work on not being so bothered by it because it is such a normal thing. but with all the work I put into with my skincare, and then it just goes down the drain with my hormones. At least I'm guessing that's what I have, is hormonal acne. Usually shows up around here in my cheeks. But then we also have masks that we're wearing, and that probably aggravates it. Anyways, though, I am kind of happy right now. Okay. Hi, so the camera cut out and I had no idea. I was just going at it. I kind of pulled out the eyeshadow around the side because, oh yay, the air's off, because it's going to come out with the wing here. So I just wanted to put the eyeshadow out there. I mixed some of the orange in it, and I think you guys are caught up. Now I'm gonna put some eyeliner on. Yay! And this is the black liner first. Yay! We got the basic liner. Now for the more difficult part. Maybe, I don't know. I'm just nervous because this is bright and it seems like maybe harder to fix if I mess up. I can do this. I can do this. Hype myself up. Come on. I think I'm gonna do the other side and then check back in with you guys, because that took a lot of concentration. So I had problems with my camera turning off. Well, now I had forgotten to turn my microphone back on. I'm just a mess today, but I finished my eye look. This is what we're looking at. I feel cute. The lines are a bit shaky, but they're pretty good considering. And when the microphone was off, I was trying to tell you guys about this mascara. If you guys want a cheap, good mascara, CoverGirl's Lash Blast Volume, the orange one. I love this mascara. It does a good job at still like looking pretty natural, but still giving you like a good boost with your lashes. If you can kind of see, like, mine aren't clumpy really. They're just kind of a bit more lengthy. It's not like spectacular, but it's one of my favorite like basic ones that I love and I have rebought. I think I also talked about highlighter. The highlighter I used was from this palette. If you know whose palette this is, you're amazing. This is Amber Scholl's highlighting palette when she came out with a makeup line for a minute. I have been a fan of Amber Scholl for a while, and this is in pieces and it's so sad. This one used to be my favorite shade, but I don't use it as much anymore because I just don't want to ruin it any further. I ended up using this one though today, a little gold, and then I also put a little bit of like white on the dot. For my lips, also talking about Amber Scholl, the Mauve NYX liner she had recommended in a video before, and prior to that I was using the nude beige one, but this mauve one, so life-changing. Like, my lip game just went up so much after I got this, I don't know. So I used the mauve and then the Beauty Bakery one, like I said. And now I think you guys are caught up. The last thing before the outfit is my hair. This is the hairstyle that I'm kind of gonna do while I'm brushing my hair. I have gray hair at 21 and it sucks. Like, see if you guys can see this. You see those little guys? I actually usually, yeah, it's all throughout. I haven't had my hair done in a while, so they're all in there and it's all throughout my head. I don't know how I got it so soon. I don't think my parents got gray hair this young. I don't know, I'll have to talk to them again about it, but I feel like when I talked to them before, they didn't think they did. I've tried to look up and see if stress can cause it, because when I started noticing my gray hair was like after the most stressful year of my life so far probably, and when I was really depressed and stuff, so I don't know if like that can cause it. It's been hard dealing with it, especially when I don't get my hair done all the time, you know, struggling young adult here. can't always pay to get my hair done frequently. But if any of you are struggling with this, please let me know. I know people do. I have a friend around my age that has gray hair as well, but I would love to know more people because it is so frustrating and I'm like trying to just accept it, but it's really hard. It is really hard. I'm like, these are just sparse. So normally my little trick is to take some eyeliner. I don't use this one on my face anymore, but I use these on my hair. And I just usually get the ones that are showing on the top or whichever hairstyle I'm doing. Anyways, I've talked about gray hair for long enough, so I am going to be doing my space buns. All right, why do they look lopsided now? I think I naturally tilt my head. Oh well, oh well. But this is how everything's looking so far. I actually feel really cute. Last thing to put together is the outfit. This is the outfit that I'm going to be loosely recreating. Instead of a black corset top, I have this green one that I'm going to be wearing. Then I have a black blazer here I'm gonna put over it. For the pants, to kind of match the style more than the color, I have these like kind of mom jeans, I guess you would call them. They won't be able to roll up like hers, but it'll be similar enough. And then lastly, the shoes. I'm gonna put these on. These heeled boots. Pretty fun, but they definitely have a big heel. Let's see if I can do a cool outfit transition. Ready? Hey, what's up? Hopefully that worked. I feel like a bad bitch right now. I gotta show you the whole fit though. All right, so you can't really see my shoes that well, but that's what they look like. And oh my gosh, I am so glad I did this. I feel so cute, so powerful right now with my little blazer on. Got this corset, like, there's not much more powerful than that. So yeah, this was a success, I would say. Of course, the outfit's not like spot on, but for the things I have, I feel like I did a decent job of trying to recreate it. So what do you guys think? Do you guys like the fit, the hair, the makeup? I'm feeling pretty good in it all, actually. So I'm glad that everything went well, and I am happy that I ended up doing this. This is a sign for you that if you're feeling a little down, give yourself a makeover. Dress up, do your makeup, do your hair, and feel powerful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it inspired you to do something that makes you feel good today. Even if that's just laying around in your sweatpants, like, do it. If that makes you feel great, do it. There's nothing wrong with that. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. My social medias will be at the beginning of this video or in the description box below. I hope you guys have an amazing day or night, whatever it is where you are right now, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.